Welcome students. In the chapter 2 population part 2, today we are going to see migration. Migration, it means movement of an individual person or a group of people from one place to another. That place can be local area. That place can be from one state to another state. That can be from one nation to another nation. So, a group of people or an individual moving from one place to another is called migration. In migration, a person is crossing a political boundary of a region. That is migration. Migration is divided into different categories. The base of this classification we are going to see. So, the first classification is on the basis of region. On the basis of region, the migration is divided into two categories. First is internal migration and the second is external migration. So, internal migration is the migration takes place within the country. Now, within the country in which in a state, taluka, district, one state to another state, it can be anything. The distance and the direction doesn't matter in this. So, in internal migration, that a person or a group of people is migrating within the country. Within the country, person need not to take any permission of government because the person is in his own country. So, he can migrate anywhere, anytime. So, in internal migration, the district to district migration, the state to state migration. Now, on the basis of economic development of the region, also within the country, there are two categories: urban to rural migration and rural to urban migration, as well urban to urban migration and rural to rural migration. So, on the basis of economic development, there are four categories. First, R means rural to rural migration. Second is rural to urban migration. The third is urban to urban migration. And the fourth is urban to rural migration. Now here, political boundary doesn't matter. It can be either from one state to another state, or within the state, or within the district, or within the taluka. But this categorization is on the basis of economic development of the region. But when we are talking about the political boundary, then it is from taluka to taluka, district to district and state to state, my